Doing it wrong, and I again. Hi guys, how's it going? Thanks for visiting my channel today. If you're new here, my name's Hayley, and today we're going to be looking at the Cult Beauty, the Hall of Fame edit. It retails for £45 and it's worth £240. So let's take a look inside and see what's in here, shall we? So it slides out like this. I don't think I've had a Cult Beauty box this year. I've been doing a lot of Look Fantastic, and I think it's mainly Look Fantastic and Next I've been doing. So it looks like that in there. It just says Cult Beauty. Oh, and the lid slides off. It's not one that folds back. I think when I do Look Fantastic they fold back. So that's what it looks like. Let's see what there is. So first up I've got Medicate, and this says Crystal Retinol Stable Retinol Night Serum Super Strength Vitamin A, and that is 30ml, so I think that would be a full size. Sorry, I'm blinding you again, aren't I? So yeah, that's a full size, I think, because that's usually how much serums are, isn't it? 30ml. So it says on the box, Retinol Crystal 6 with time release technology. Rediscover youthful looking skin with Crystal Retinol 8, fortified with 0.06% encapsulated retinaldehyde. Doesn't sound very healthy, does it? When I think of dehyde, I think formaldehyde. What's the other one? I don't know. Bad things. But anyway, this has got retinaldehyde, an advanced alternative to retinol. This overnight vitamin A serum cream helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while promoting a visibly smooth, clarified and radiant complexion. Recommended for those who have comfortably used Medicate Crystal Retinol Free. Oh, I haven't used that, but I think I'll be all right. I've used other retinol products. Medicate recommend using vitamin C and sunscreen in the morning and vitamin A at night. We call this skincare strategy CSA. What's the S? Vitamin C. Oh, sunscreen. So it's CSA for retinol A. So yeah, CSA. Remember that. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. There it is. It reminds me of this packaging. It reminds me of the Boots number 7 retinol thing I used, and that I got on fine with that as well. It was a squeezy tube like this and a pump like that. So I put a bit on my hand. You just got to twist it to open it. Oh, it twists all the way around. Maybe not. Let's see if it comes out all right. Yeah, I think you don't twist it. So there's what it looks like. It looks quite orangey, like a peachy colour. I think you can see it there like that. Let's give it a rub in. And it feels lovely. I love a good serum. This was one of the reasons I bought this, because there's a couple in here and I think they're full size. Nice smell as well, and it's gone on there. Nice and smooth and lightweight. So that's a good one. So that's that. And then what's this big one here? There's this big red one. I'm really intrigued by that. Oh, I think I can see what that is. So this is the Lasso by Isamaya. And it says Lash Wrap Mascara in the shade Dead of Night. Does it say anything? Place Lash Lasso wand at base of lash. Wiggle brush head from root to tip while twisting wand upwards and outwards. Apply multiple coats for added volume and lift. I've never had any Isamaya. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not going to open it up because I have got quite a few open. That's why they had to have the wide box, because of the horsey on the top. Look at that. Isn't that posh looking? Oh my lord. I've never had a mascara as posh as this. There's little diamantes and all around his mane, or her mane. And it's got a little another one there. And a little blue one for their eye. Wow, look at that. I'm not going to open it yet, but I look forward to trying it. Isomaya. I have no Isomaya. Wow. Wow. I can't stop saying wow. Right, let's see what's next. What shall I go for? This one. Let's see what this is. This is True Botanicals Phytoretinol Sleep Serum. Wow, I'm looking forward to that. And that's 30ml, so that's a full size. So let's see what it says on the box. It says Phytoretinol Sleep Serum is powered by Peptilum, a breakthrough ingredient that is clinically proven to work 2 times faster and with more intense anti-aging benefits than synthetic retinol. So it says powered by Peptilum, Primrose and astaxanthin. It's got an X in there, but I think you say astaxanthin. I hope I said that right. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. I'll do a little bit on this hand this time. Let's see. That looks nice. Nice bottle, it's glass. Yeah, it looks really posh. So Phytoretinol Sleep Serum by True Botanicals. Oh, I really like the packaging. It just looks so luxe because it's gold with the black and the brown bottle. It looks really posh, doesn't it? This one's thinner than the other one, more watery, but it's not watery. It doesn't feel like water, but it is way thinner. So it spreads really far, look at that. And I like the smell. What is that smell? It smells, is it citrusy? It smells really good. I really like that smell. Oh, it reminds me of something I've had before. Bergamot, maybe? Do you call it bergamot or bergamot? I'm not really sure. If I looked in the ingredients, can I be bothered to look through all those ingredients? Not really, no. But it says coriander, cranberry. I'm just looking at the bits what stand out. I've got a feeling it has got bergamot in it. It smells sort of citrusy. Oh, it's lovely. It's a really, really nice smell. It's not just citrusy. There's something else in there as well. It smells gorgeous. Beautiful product, that is. Really pleased to have that. I think that's my favourite so far. Love it. Okay, next. What should we go for? This green one. This is Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, Sweet Mint, and it's 15 grams. I would imagine that's a full size. It says, this 100% vegan lip balm conditions and soothes parched lips while providing a hint of sweet mint flavour. Butter up on the go for instant moisture and shine, or at bedtime for a nourishing overnight mask. I think I like this. So out it comes. Come on. It doesn't want to come out. Can't get hold of it. There it is. So it's a little tube. Nice applicator. It looks posh. It's like a see-through. Oh, it's soft. I thought it was going to be hard. You know, like Juicy Tubes. It reminds me of Juicy Tube, the shape. But it's soft. It's like silicone. Oh, that's different. I really like that. So let's do a bit on here. Hello? Is there any in it? Come on. Oh, it's coming now. So there it is. Oh yeah, it smells gorge. It is sweet and it's mint. I can smell the mint and I can smell sweetness. Oh, that's lovely. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It feels perfect. It feels really nourishing. I'm going to put a bit on my lips and see what it feels like. I want to see if it does anything. Like, does it tingle? Yeah, because some minty things can tingle, can't they? I'll do a bit out of the I know I'm going to get it all red now. Let's just do it. It's taking me forever to get it out. It's like half empty. It feels really nice and smooth, not sticky, no stickiness. That is really, really nice. No wonder people like it. The applicator is really cool. I really like that. I've got red in it now, look. But yeah, that is fantastic. Really pleased to have that. But I'm a little bit like, why is it taking... Because look how far you got to push it in to... Look. Here it comes. Look, there it is. But yeah, you got to push it in a lot to get it to come out. Which makes you think, oh, is it empty? But, yep, I like it. So far, I like everything. Next, what's this little thing here? What is this? This is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops 5ml. And I've heard all about this. And I don't really know what... Oops. So, is this like a make-up-y thing? Or do you use it underneath things? Or... When you rub it in, you can't... I'm guessing you just put it on. So there it is, all rubbed in. I received something like that a while back. It was this thing I received, and I've hardly used it. I have to look up how you use the things, because I know this one is very popular. You always hear people going on about Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow stuff. So I'll have to look it up and see. I've just never looked into Glow Recipe. I know I should have, because everybody's into it. But I look forward to trying it. And I got something else in a calendar that was Glow Recipe. I know that was watermelon because it had pictures of watermelon on it. And it looked really good. And I put a bit on my hand and I was really pleased with it. It was really thin. I think it was like a moisturiser, like your final step in your skincare. And it was a full size and it just looked gorgeous in the bottle, pink. Oh, it was lovely looking. So I look forward to using that, but I've got to use up what I've got open at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to look into that and see what that's like. And this, look, I got this in another box. I might have used it once, but this comes out pretty much like that. I think you use them, you either mix them in with things or put them on as like a first layer underneath your makeup for a glow or something like that. So I'll find out what to do with it. I just don't know if I will use it. Hopefully I will, because I think it's very popular. So let's see. What is this? Oh, it's Colour Wow. Colour Wow Pop and Lock. 55ml. It says unique oil serum blend. Smooths frizz. Seals split ends. Gives hair a sparkling glossy finish. Directions. Apply sparingly on wet hair. Style as usual or lightly smooth over dry styled hair for glossy shine. I'm going to put it on my hair. Open! Does it unscrew? It's got something holding it shut. Didn't see that. You can't see it. Come on. Off you come! Oh, now it's left a sticky mess on there. I don't like that they've done that. I mean, does it come off easily? Is that why they've done it? I'll have to get rid of that sticky mess now. It doesn't come off easy, so I don't know why they've done that. So maybe they've had things coming off in the post or something. Right, let's see. Where can I do it? Here? I'm going to just do it on my fingers and put it in my hair. What's it feel like? Feels real nice. Really nice and serum-y. Oh, what does it smell like? Smell something. Smells good. I've already got something in my hair, but let's have some more. Let's have some more. I can't see. Can I see shimmer in my hands? Only a little bit. They're really small shimmers. So if you don't like shimmer, you might not like that, but I would imagine that's not going to show up much in your hair. They're only small. I'm having some more, look. Yeah, it smells really good. Is it like a sweet smell? I'm rubbish at describing smells. Yeah, it smells gorgeous. I like sweet things. I'm going to do that and then just smooth, because I get those flyaways. Beautiful, I'll use that. Really pleased to have that as well. There's nothing I don't like yet, apart from I'm not sure about these because I have never tried them. So, and then there's one last product. What is it? Is it a lip product? Let's see. Oh no, it's a perfume. And apparently, is it really popular? It says eccentric molecules. Molecule 01 plus patchouli. Don't know how you say it, but I'm really excited to try it. I didn't put my perfume on because I really want to try this. Here we are. And how big is this one? I forgot to say. It's 7.5 mils, this is. So let's have a try. I can smell something. I'm usually into sweeter smells than that. Oh, I can smell something nice though. It depends what it's like. If it's too sharp, I don't like it. I like it, I think. Yeah. I keep thinking, is it one of those things that men or women can wear? It might be a unisex one, but I like it. Yeah, I really like that. I'm going to put some on my neck and see how I get on with it during the day. I'll see if anyone says, oh, you smell nice. I think I like it. Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, really pleased. I do like trying something different, and most of my scents are on the sweet side, I think. So this might be one that I actually like that isn't a sweet one. So, oh yeah, I can't stop smelling it. It's really good. I like it. Really pleased with that as well. So that is the whole box done now, guys. All gone. I'm really pleased, and I'm thinking no wonder they're in the Hall of, is it Hall of Fame? Yeah, Hall of Fame. Oh, if they do this next year, I'm probably going to buy it. Definitely, because these are what everybody likes. So they must be really good. Everything I've tried out of this box, I really like it. So, yay, that was a winner. So if you enjoyed watching the video, give me a like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.